Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a multi-color gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So type in gradient or whatever you want to type, select a font, and choose your colors. I'm just going to choose some colors that I like. Really like that shade of green. I'll just do like a bunch of colors. Okay, right click, create compound clip on each of them separately. Make sure the duration is like good. Okay, anyways, select video, select mask, and select horizontal. You're going to just mask it and you're going to start blending them out using the feather button. Some of the colors will get washed out, like this purple one right here. But just adjust it to your liking. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really, it's that simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh wait, I forgot the glow. Sorry. Just go to effects here and type in angel and add that. And you can also add in some edge glow. I should probably use like a darker color for this, but yeah. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.